Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix NSIS error writing temporary file. Make sure your temp folder is valid in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to select that application and click on Run as Administrator. So let's say for example, this is your application. So please do a right click and go with Run as Administrator. Click on it, and if your user account control will ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes, and with that, you would be able to open your application. So check if your problem has been fixed. But let's if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our second method. Our second method would be here at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called Run. Here it asks you to type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. You need to type for percentaged temp percentaged. Again, type for percentage temp percentage. Make sure you don't put any space between of the letters or characters. Once done, click on OK. And with that moment, you would be able to see this temp, which it consists a lot of file folders. Now, these file folders are registries, bugs, or cached created by your system and not by you. So definitely when we delete all of this, it's harmless. Okay. So how we can delete the whole? So by simply pressing Control A, you would be able to select the whole, and you need to go with Shift to delete. Again, press Shift to delete keys, and it will ask you to permanently delete these 270 items in my case. Click on Yes. Okay. And if there are folder access denied, just have to skip it to complete the process. Okay. So skip as well those file in use. Okay. And once you have skipped it, wait until it will be completed. Now there are some TMP or file folder would be remained, and that's completely fine. Once you're done, please close this window and try to install or run again the application that you are currently facing an error a while ago. I'm sure it will be working this time. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.